I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Trends. Google. Com in your browser and sign in if you want personalized data. Use a laptop or phone with a stable connection for best results. Enter a keyword or topic in the search box and press enter to load the results. Wait a second for the interactive charts and interest maps to appear on the screen. Set a time frame, country, and category to narrow results for clearer trend signals. Choose a time frame like 7 days, 90 days, or 5 years to compare momentum. Focus on rising queries and regional spikes shown on the map. Click the Compare button and add up to 5 keywords or topics to see relative interest. Each added term appears as a colored line across the chart for quick comparison. Change the category and search type to web search, image search, news search, or YouTube for context. Apply a specific country and use subregion maps to reveal local popularity differences. Use regional breakdowns to spot cities or states where interest is highest today. Adjust the time frame to measure short-term surges or long-term growth trends. Look at the top and rising queries list for grassroots signals. Download the CSV or share a link to export data for deeper analysis in spreadsheets. Open the menu and click Download CSV to save time series and related queries for review. Set Google Alerts or use an RSS feed to monitor a topic continuously for new spikes and momentum. Combine trend data with search volumes from other tools to estimate demand in dollars or clicks. Use insights for content planning, product decisions, or ad targeting with regional focus and timing. Revisit trends weekly to catch emerging topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.